Fresh tagliatelle with lamb ragu. Andiamo!
Brown some finely diced pancetta in olive oil. Drain and reserve. Roughly chop celery, onion, carrots, and garlic. Pulse in a food processor until it comes to a paste. Veggie paste. Cook down the veggie paste until it's nicely caramelized. And that's how you make sofrito. You're Italian now. Add in crushed pepper and tomato paste, and cook until the tomato paste turns darker red. Add ground lamb and cook through. Put in some wine, rosemary, the pancetta, and some chicken stock. Cover and simmer for 2 hours. Check it every once in a while and add water if you think it looks too dry.
I highly recommend drinking some wine while you wait. And look at this asshole. Boots. Everybody wants dinner.
Remove rosemary. Cook tagliatelle in salted water until it floats, about 3 minutes. Add the pasta to the sauce, along with some pasta water. Add in a few tablespoons of butter and stir to combine. And you're done.